Hi, I keep on looking for starter clutch removal and installation videos, but I can't find any. So, I made a video on how to remove, replace and install a starter clutch for 2004 to 2007 Honda CBR 1000RR. Before we begin, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to see the latest videos that we will upload soon. After the removal of the clutch cover, be mindful of the idle gear washer. You must be very careful when removing it so it will not end up falling to the oil pan. Carefully remove the idle gear. And yes, be careful also with the idle gear pin. It might fall off. It is also advisable to put cloth. It helps to avoid the pin or washers from going to the oil pan. It will be a pain if these guys slip through. Usually, there is a special tool to use to lock these gears in place for you to remove the starter clutch. However, it's expensive. What we'll be needing is a 14mm socket and a power handle. The power handle is good for torque transfer. Now here is our trusted slotted screwdriver. This will be our replacement for the special tool, the gear holder. Now, place it between the primary gear and driven gear. This locks them into place and also avoids any unnecessary movement. This is for us to remove the starter clutch assembly. Now, we use the power handle with the 14mm socket. Place and lock it into the 14mm bolt in the starter clutch and gently apply torque and turn it in a counterclockwise motion. Now, loosen the bolt and gently pull the starter clutch assembly. Just watch out for the thrust washer at the back. You don't want that washer to go somewhere. Now, install the thrust washer into the crankshaft. Then install the starter clutch outer assembly into the crankshaft while aligning the wide teeth of the crankshaft and the starter clutch assembly. Look at the grooves carefully. Apply oil to the starter clutch outer special bolt threads and seating surface. Then install the washer and starter clutch outer special bolt. Attach the gear holder or the slotted screwdriver between the primary drive gear and driven gear and tighten the starter clutch bolt to the specified torque. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Have a safe ride.